Next second bit, simplify the following. In this first one, 1 by 2 whole to the power 4 into 1 by 2 whole to the power 5 into 1 by 2 whole to the power 6. Here 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Here bases are equal and powers are different. So here apply a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Here powers addition. Here same bases are equal. Right, single base 1 by 2 whole to the power 4 plus 5 plus 6. So 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 15. Here 1 by 2 whole to the power 15. Here a by b whole power m is equal to a to the power m by b to the power m. Apply this formula. Here 1 to the power 15 by 2 to the power 15. 1 to the power 15 value is equal to 1 only. Next 2 to the power 15. Here 1 by 2 to the power 15. Second bit, first one answer. Next second one, here minus 2 whole to the power 7 into minus 2 whole to the power 3 into minus 2 whole to the power 4. Here bases are equal. Same, apply this formula. Here a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Here minus 2 whole to the power 7 plus 3 plus 4, total minus 2 whole to the power 14. This one homework. Next third one, 4 to the power 4 into 5 by 4 whole to the power 4. Okay, here 5 by 4 whole to the power 4. This value we can write. Here apply this formula. A by b whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m by b to the power m. Here also same, 5 to the power 4 and 4 to the power 4. Okay, here 4 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4 by 4 to the power 4. Here 1 by a to the power n is equal to, we can write a to the power minus n. Here so a to the power minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power n. These two are equal. So this value we can write is a to the power minus n. So here 4 to the power 4, we can write 4 to the power minus 4. Okay, here 4 to the power 4, 4 same, 5 to the power 4. Next this value 4 to the power minus 4. So here bases equal 4, 4 same, and apply this formula. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Here 4 to the power 4 plus, here minus 4, plus into minus, minus 4 minus 4, 0. Here 5 into here 4 power 4 minus 4, 0 into 5 to the power 4. Here 1 into 5 to the power 4. Here 1 into 5 to the power 4 is equal to 5 to the power 4 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So this value is equal to 625. 5 to the power 4 means 5 multiplied by 4 times. Okay, next to fourth one, 5 to the power minus 4 by 5 to the power minus 6 into 5 to the power 3. Okay, here a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to, we can write a to the power m minus n. So here same, so apply this formula and this one. Here 5 to the power minus 4 minus of minus plus 4 plus 6. Here 6 minus 4, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 3. Its total value 5 to the power 2 plus 3, 5 to the power 5. So this one answer 5 to the power 5. Next fifth one, so 3 to the power minus 3 whole to the power 4 into 7 to the power 4. So this one also homework. So here apply a to the power m. Here powers are equal, powers exponents equal. So here a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b whole to the power m. So this value is equal to 3 minus 3 into 7 minus 21, minus 21 whole to the power 4. Here minus power is 4, 4 is a odd number, so this value is equal to 21 power 4. Okay, next third bit, simplify. In this first one, 2 square 2 to the power 2 into 3 square by 2 to the power minus 2 into 3 to the power minus 1. Okay, So here 2 square value 2 square, 3 square 3 square same. So 2 to the power minus 2, here apply 1 by a to the power minus n is equal to a to the power n. So apply this formula. So 2 to the power minus 2 value we can write 2 to the power 2 into same 3 to the power minus 1. Here bases equal 2 2 and these two bases equal 3 3. So here apply a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Here right, so same basis, right, single base 2 and powers addition 2 plus 2 4 into, so base is equal 3, here 2 minus 1. The 2 plus 2, 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2 minus 1, 1. 3 to the power 1 means 3 only. The 2 to the power 4, 2 multiplied by 4 times. So 2 power 4 is equal to 16 into 3. 16 3 is a 48. Next second one, 4 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power minus 1 bracket whole divided by 6 to the power minus 1. Here a to the power minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power n. Apply this formula. Here 4 to the power minus 1 value 1 by 4. 3 to the power minus 1 value 1 by 3. Whole divided by 6 to the power minus 1 value 1 by 6. Okay. So here 1 1s are 1, 4 3s are 12. 1 by 12 divided by 1 by 6. So division convert into multiplication here. So this value change into its reciprocal. 1 by 6 change into 6 by 1. Here division change into multiplication. So this value change into its reciprocal 6 by 1. 1 by 12 into 6 by 1. Here 6 one time, 6 2s are 12. Okay. So 1 into 1 1, 2 1s are 2. Here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 value. Here 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 power 1. So transfer up here 2 to the power minus 1 answer. Next fifth bit. Simplify and give reasons. In this first one, here 3 square 3 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 whole divided by 1 by 5 whole to the power 2. Okay. So this one given sum. Here 3 square value is equal to 9. 2 square value 4. 9 minus 4 divided by 1 by 5 whole to the power 2. Here 9 minus 4 value 5. 5 divided by 1 by 5 whole square. Here division convert into multiplication. Here so right, it's reciprocal. 1 by 5 reciprocal 5. Here 5 into 5 whole square. Okay. 5 into 5 5 square. 5 square whole square. Here apply a to the power m into whole to the power n is equal to l to the power m into n. So this value 2 into 2 4. 5 to the power 4. So 5 to the power 4 value you will get 625. Okay. Next fourth one, second one. In the second one, fifth bit, second one, 5 to the power 2 whole to the power 3 into 5 to the power 4 whole divided by 5 to the power 6. So same this one also. Here apply first, here apply a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Here 5 to the power 2 into 3 6. 5 to the power 6. So this value 5 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 4. Next apply this formula. So 5 to the power 6 plus 4 10. Next apply this formula divided by 6 means here this total value is 10. 5 to the power 10 divided by 5 to the power 6. So 5 to the power 10 minus 6, 5 to the power 4. So this value is equal to 625. Second one answer 625. This one, do you know homework note? Homework sum this one. Next sixth one, find the value of n in each of the following. In this first one, so 2 by 3 whole cube into 2 by 3 whole power 5 is equal to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2 Your bases are equal. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to, we can write a to the power m plus n. So here powers addition, write single base, and next 3 plus 5, you will get 8. 2 by 3 whole power 8 is equal to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2. So your bases are equal. Your bases are equal. So exponents are also equal. Here base is equal. Here 8 is equal to n minus 2. N minus 2 is equal to 8. Here minus 2 value transfer this side, it will change into plus. So n is equal to 8 plus 2. 10. N value is equal to 10. Okay, first one answer 10. Next second one, minus 3 whole power n plus 1 into minus 3 whole power 5 is equal to minus 3 whole power minus 4. Here find n value. Okay, so your bases are equal. Write single base, and next so single base, next powers addition, n plus 1 plus 5 is equal to minus 3 whole power minus 4. So here minus 3 whole power n plus 1 plus 5 6, n plus 6 is equal to minus 3 whole power minus 4. Here bases are equal, so exponents also equal. Bases minus 3 same equal values. Next do the exponents values equal. N plus 6 is equal to minus 4. 6 value transfer that side. Here plus value change into minus. N is equal to minus 4 minus 6. Here n is equal to, you will get minus 10. N value minus 10. Second one answer minus 10. Next third one, 7 to the power 2n plus 1 divided by 49 is equal to 7 cube. Here 49 value we can write 7 square. 49 value 7 sevens are 49. So this one we can write 7 square. So divided by 49, 7 to the power 2n plus 1 by 49 is equal to 7 cube. Here 7 square. Here a by b, a power m by b power a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Apply this formula. Here 7 to the power 2n plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 7 cube. Here 1 minus 2 value 1. 7 to the power 2n minus 1 is equal to 7 cube. Here bases are equal, and so exponents are also equal. So next 2n minus 1 is equal to 3. Here minus 1 transfer that side, it will change into plus 1. 2n is equal to 4. Here 2 value transfer this side. Here 2 into n, here multiplication. So this one transfer that side, it will change into division. Multiplication change into division. N is equal to 4 by 2. Here 2 1 times 2, 2 2s. So n is equal to, you will get 2. Next seventh sum, find x. If 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 power x. Okay, here find x value. Okay, so given sum 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power x. Okay, so write given sum 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power x. Here 1 by a to the power n is equal to a to the power minus n. So here 1 by 2 to the power x value, we can write 2 to the power minus x. Here 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 2 to the power minus x. Here bases 2 to same equal, and next so exponents are also equal. Minus 3 is equal to minus x. Minus 3 is equal to minus x. Here minus minus cancel, x is equal to 3. X value is equal to 3. Next eighth one, simplify 3 by 4 whole to the power minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 whole to the power minus 3 whole into 3 by 5 whole to the power minus 2. Okay, so here apply a to the power minus n formula is equal to 1 by a to the power n. So here 3 by 4 whole to the power minus 2 is equal to, right, it's a reciprocal, 3 by 4 reciprocal 4 by 3. So its power is plus 2. Next 4 by 5 reciprocal 5 by 4. So power change into plus 3 into here 3 by 5 all to the power minus 2. It's reciprocal 5 by 3 whole power plus 2. Okay, so here 4 by 3 whole square into here division convert into multiplication, division plus right into, so here right it's reciprocal 4 by 5 whole power 3 into 5 by 3 whole power 2. Okay, so here a by b whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m. Apply this formula. Here 4 square by 3 square into 4 cube by 5 cube into 5 square by 3 square. Okay, here a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, and next formula a power m by a power n is equal to 1 by a power n minus m. Here n value is greater than m, so apply this formula. If n value is greater than m, apply this formula. Here 4 a power 4 4 base is equal, so here multiplication, the 4 to the power 4 2 plus 3. Next 5 to the power here 3 3 base is equal 3 to the power 2 plus 2. Next 5 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 3. Here 3 value is greater than 2, 3 is more than 2, so here 1 by 5 power 3 minus 2. Okay, next here 4 to the power 5 by 3 to the power 4 into 1 by 5 is equal to 4 to the power 5 by 3 to the power 4 into 5. So 8th one answer 4 to the power 5 by 3 to the power 4 into 5. Next 9th sum. If m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2, find the value of, in this first one, 9m square minus 10n cube. Here m value is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. M value 3 and n is equal to 2. So m plus right 3, n plus right 2. So m plus substitute 3 and n plus substitute 2. Here 9m square minus 10n cube. M value 3, n value 2. Here m plus right 3. So 3 square minus 10 into n cube value n plus right 2 cube. Okay, 3 square value 9, 9 into 9 81. So here 2 cube value 8, 10 into 8 80. 81 minus 80 you will get 1. Okay, so next some homework sums. Same, substitute m values and n values. Second one, 2 into m square into n square. M plus substitute 2 3, n plus substitute 2. Here m plus 3 square and 2 square. 3 square value 9, 2 square value 4. 9 into 4 36, 36 into 2 72. This one answer 72. Just substitute m and n values here. Okay, m plus right 3 cube value 3 multiply 3 times 27, 27 into 2 54. This value 54. 3 n square n value 2 2 to the 4 4 3 are 12 12 57 plus 12 69. Next here also substitute m and n values and simplify these two sums. Okay, these three are homework. Next 10th one, simplify and give reasons. 4 by 7 whole to the power minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole to the power minus 7. Okay, so here a to the power minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power n. So here 4 by 7 whole to the power minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole to the power minus 7. Here just write its reciprocal, 4 by 7 reciprocal. Okay, so here 7 by 4 reciprocal 4, 7 by 4 reciprocal 4 by 7. Here minus power change into plus. Okay, here 4 by 7, here also 4 by 7. Bases are equal, so write single base. Next x power addition, minus 5 plus 7. 7 minus 5 is equal to 4 by 7 whole to the power 2. Here apply this formula, a by b whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m by b to the power m. Here 4 square value 16, 7 square value 49. So 10th one answer 16 by 49.